Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create coloring book pages for kids using Canva. It's a very easy process. You just need to follow a few simple steps, and you'll be able to create your own coloring book. You can then sell it on platforms like Amazon KDP, Etsy, and Gumroad to earn money. If you're new to my channel, please make sure to subscribe so you don't miss any of my helpful Canva tutorials. So, let's get started. First of all, open Canva. A dashboard will open in front of you. Now go to the custom size option. Next, you will see the width and height fields. Enter 8.5 width and 11 height there, and select the unit you want to use. After that, click on Create New Design. Now a blank canvas will appear in front of you. Now go to the background color section and click on Add a new color. From there, adjust the background color as you like. After that, go to the Elements tab and type Square in the search bar. Then press Enter. If you don't find the square shape there, click on the Shapes section and select a square shape from there. Once the square appears on your canvas, drag it to the top and adjust its size. Now go to the Color section and change its color to white. Now go to the Elements tab and type Giraffe Outline in the search bar. Then press Enter. After that, go to the Graphics section, where you will see different images. Choose any image you like. I have selected this one. Now adjust its size. After this, go to the Text tab and add a heading. Now type the word giraffe. Drag this text and move it to the top. Then go to Fonts and change the style. In the search bar, type 3D fonts. From here, choose any font style you like. I'm selecting Rampart 1 because it gives the text a more attractive look. Now adjust the text as needed. After this, duplicate this page. Now a new page will be added. Then go to the Elements tab and type Elephant Outline in the search bar. Now go to the Graphics section and choose any image you like. First, delete this image. Now select any image from the Graphics section. I have selected this one. Adjust this image, then edit this text and type elephant here. After that, duplicate this page so a new page will be added. Now delete the elephant image. Then go to the Elements tab and type Dinosaur Outline in the search bar. Go to the Graphics section and choose any image you like. Then edit this text and type Dinosaur here. Repeat this process and add the remaining pages in the same way, and design them as well. Now click on Add New Page to create a new page. Drag this page to the front side. Then go to Background Color and change the color to white. Next, go to the Text tab, click on Add a Heading, and add the text as I typed, Coloring Book. Change the font style of this text, then drag the text to the top of the canvas. Now go to the Elements tab and type koala bear in the search bar. Then go to the Graphics section and select this image. Adjust the image. Now go to the Elements tab and add one colored giraffe image and one outline giraffe image. After that, change the background color, then add a square shape and adjust it on the canvas. Change its color to white. Now change the position of this shape and place it below all the other layers. Now click on the Share option and then click on Download. After that, select PDF Print and click Download. This will save your file. To create a flipping book, open Google and type heyzine.com flipbook in the search bar. From the suggestions below, click on the Heyzine website. Then click on the link that says Heyzine PDF to Flipbook. You will now see the dashboard. Click Upload and upload the PDF you saved on your desktop. Your flipbook will be created automatically. You can view its preview from here. Next, click on Share Flipbook and copy the link. Open a new tab, paste the link, and press Enter. Your flipping coloring book is now completely ready. If you like this video, please give it a like, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials.